Have you ever wished you had an easy way to know exactly how much inventory to buy? Maybe you've been looking into inventory management systems. The trouble is, if your main issues are that you're constantly running out of stock, or knowing how much to buy for each warehouse, or wanting to know how much inventory is overstocked, or if it's just a general lack of visibility, an IMS is not the right solution for you. But Inventory Planner is. Inventory Planner is a market-leading inventory forecasting and planning solution for e-commerce and multi-channel merchants. It reveals which inventory to order, how much to order, the perfect moment to order it based on our accurate forecasted sales calculations. It helps you sail through market fluctuations and helps you maximize profit by eliminating out-of-stock events and releasing cash from slow-moving items, which you can reinvest in growth. Here's a sneak peek into how it works. Reliable sales forecasting. To make the right purchasing decisions, you need to know how much you'll sell. Here's where Inventory Planner shines. Our reliable sales forecasting is the best around. We've got over a dozen years of dedicated experience in this field, and we've helped more than 2,600 merchants like you accurately predict their sales. You can select from a range of sales forecasting methods that work both for non-seasonal and seasonal products. All the forecasting settings are customizable. You can set them up at the warehouse level, the variant level, or a product category level if they happen to trend differently. And the filterable list goes on and on. We fine-tuned our forecasting models to cope with a wide range of market fluctuations and always deliver ultimate accuracy. For instance, we factor in holiday seasons, and we adjust sales forecasts. It's all about creating super accurate sales forecasts that you can rely on no matter what. Replenishment recommendations. Once you've set up your forecasting methods within Inventory Planner, check out our most powerful feature, the replenishment recommendation. This is where you'll find out exactly what, when, and how much to reorder. We know you want to make data-driven decisions, but interpreting the data can be overwhelming. That's why we do all the complex inventory planning work for you and translate it into simple, intuitive recommendations. Metrics like forecast lost revenue, forecast lost profit, and replenish date will help you easily prioritize the items that need to be reordered to avoid losing revenue and maximize your profits. You'll love the overstock feature too. You can use it to see all products that you have too much of in one place, then choose metrics like overstocked units, last sold at date, or overstocked cost to prioritize the items that need to be liquidated first to release cash and reduce storage costs. Inventory reports. At Inventory Planner, details matter. That's why we make it easy to create a huge range of powerful reports that give you full visibility into your inventory. Simply tweak the settings according to variants, bundles, assemblies, product categories, warehouse, or vendor to suit your specific needs. Custom IP tags will help you report on anything and everything inventory related. Choose from more than 200 metrics to focus on the KPIs that matter to your business most. Your reports can be as granular or as general as you like. It's even easy to compare different periods in time to spot trends. In this video, we've only just scraped the surface of what Inventory Planner can do. To find out exactly how it would work for your business, scan the code to book a dedicated demo. Otherwise, please visit inventoryplanner.com.